Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved a heatless blowout on my fussy hair. I just finished rinsing it out. I actually just did a deep conditioning video, and so then I would link it up. I'll link it up, up there. You know where to find it. I'll link it up there so that you can watch that video. So I'm coming to just moisturize and then leave my hair to air dry, and you'll see in that process you'll see how I achieve a heatless blowout. So I'd be using the Strengthen and Restore from SheaMoisture. Is a Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner, and I'll be using some shea butter whip that I made. This is a whipped shea butter with lavender, so smells nice, and it's actually like fluffy, so it's just really light. So that is it. Let's start. I have quite a bit left, so I'll just use it as is. My hair feels very soft after the deep conditioning treatment, and it's already detangled, so I won't be detangling except like with a brush. I'll just use my hands. I'm sealing the moisture with shea butter. One half of my hair is done, and I'll finish off this portion of camera and then we'll talk when I'm done. So now it's done. I'm just going to leave it this way, and I would air dry it over the next maybe 2 days. It takes roughly about 2 days for my hair to dry, at most 3 days to dry, but within 2 and 3 days it should dry, and then I'll come back when it's dry to show you the results. Hello and welcome back. It's been 3 days. I was supposed to have taken it down yesterday, but I didn't, so I'm going to do that today. First, I'm going to put some oil all over. and I'll use my Afro pick to just comb it out for the blowout feel or effect. So I have this hairband and I'm just going to pull my hair back. I don't know what suits my hair, so I'm going to style it later. So this is a heatless blowout. You don't need to apply heat to your hair to get a blowout effect. So this is how I achieved my heatless blowout, and this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.